So we've taken a taxi this morning and we've arrived at Central World, a very big central in the middle of Bangkok. And I can hear, Mummy, I can hear Chinese dragon dance. Dragon dance. Ah. And there's a big sea, very big sea.
They call big sea what they
Okay, Mummy. This is it. We're not going in Central World. A bit nicer than nicer conditioning. I can hear the Chinese. We're near Chinatown, yes?
I think inside that is all inside.
Wait a minute, Mummy. So, quite a few floors over a long space. So we've reached Bangkok, about a 3 hours drive from Kanchanaburi, and we've come to visit Jeon at her workplace. And Jeon, I think, is treating us like VIP. We get our own seat next to where they cook. And Mummy's got yam by the looks of it, and she's very happy with that. Art is very happy because he's close to food.
Yep.
And he has a Coca-Cola, which is very naughty.
กลัวร้อนกี่วัน
Ryan's not sure. So, let's see. So, let's see them working. So, you're working hard. You're working very hard.
จะไปศรีราชา
เหรอไป
วันเสาร์วันอาทิตย์แต่ก็เลยมาคิดวันเสาร์วันอาทิตย์หมูเด้งเลย
แต่ถ้าไปพรุ่งนี้อาจจะได้ดู เพราะว่าเป็นวันศุกร์มันหยุดพอวันถามมันหยุดหรือเปล่า